Okay, welcome to the weekly update. Last weekend I have been pretty busy. This is not very high-tech code, just a lot of things to go wrong, mostly with the hardware. And so, a couple weeks ago I made this thing, the frame of this thing. So, it has a slot for the mechanical keys and a rotary encoder, along with a 1602 character LCD. So I built the frame out of two parts. The part you are seeing is the plate that I mount the peripheral, and the other part is the housing, which have a port in the back. So I use an Arduino Pro Micro for this one. Simple one to work as a keyboard interface. So what this thing essentially do is two things. Last weekend I have been trying to implement the keyboard macro. So there's a lot of macro I can implement. And so let's say for this example, I go into the sketch, right? So for one button over here, there are three buttons, right? So one of them will toggle construction geometry, which I have to do a lot. The other one is the line tool, GN, and the last one is the multi-line tool, GM. So I use those functions a lot, and they are not very conveniently placed on the keyboard. So I kind of make that. I want to make a couple improvements, like better bevel design. This one is pretty sharp and looks pretty bad. The edge here, because it is two parts, so I don't like the edge over here. And I would like to incorporate some kind of touch sensor to prevent water ingress, and maybe use this thing instead of buying touch sensor, but we'll cross that bridge when we get there. So new microcontroller, no need direct USB-C connection to the computer. And what this thing basically does is it is a, let's say go game. So it contains all my password, and by pressing this button it will automatically fill in the credential and password, so I don't have to manually press every single thing. It's a little bit of a fun toy that I don't see many people did it before, so I like to make it myself. And yeah, this is how we got. So the idea is one thing, but the execution is the other half. So remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Stay tuned for the next one. Have a nice week, everyone. Good luck.